Alright, since my camera died, we're gonna go on Express right now. I'm using my phone right now, so pardon the video quality, it's not the best.
Damn, where's all the traffic at?
Very rarely at 6 a.m. do you ever see the Kennedy Expressway this empty.
Oh my god, this is crazy. And we're at Chicago Avenue.
Yeah. We're in Chicago, we're literally by Chicago and Ogden, so.
Look at the signs over there. This
And
is crazy, Joe.
it's important to note that if you're going on the expressway, power is out on the Kennedy Expressway. So all your lights throughout the Kennedy Expressway so far seem like they're out. So people who are driving, be very careful.
Yeah, no kidding. Alright, we're gonna get off and we're gonna go back on and then get off and then we're supposed to get off. I hope we make it back to the house, that's all I'm worried. It's that turn around the house.
Yeah. Well, I think we got it. I don't think it's that bad.
No, where that big drift.
Oh yeah, that big drift
in front of the house.
Yeah. That's gonna be the biggest challenge. Lots of gusts coming our way.
And 06 boy, and I think we still have 11 robbers rolling.
Look at, they even got the fucking...
Very rarely do you see a bulldozer on Milwaukee Avenue. How awesome is that? Here we go again. Jumping back on the Kennedy.
1333. Can you check on this alarm 346, no 15, 346, no 15. At the ID source, fire exit door, kitchen motion, right door alarm.
Now there are a few cars out here. I mean, there's not too many. But so far from what I see, people driving, they're driving very, very cautiously.
South Wabash, checking on the automatic alarm, not showing we are northbound.
Wow, I wish the whole road was like this. Look.
Yeah, I know. This is actually off the Ogden ramp, so if you're getting off on Ogden, pretty clear for the most part off the ramp, but once you hit Ogden itself, it gets pretty ugly really quick.
Here we go. Cross your fingers.
Alright. Going over the snowbank number 1. Not a big problem. Here's where... Whoa.
On this side of the way, and everybody's trail here.
Yeah.
It feels like you're in the...
Holy shit.
And now...
You can hold up anybody coming in here on Wabash.
Alright, and this is where I stopped